Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the Gmail API in Google Cloud. Do that now, then create OAuth 2. 0 credentials for a web or desktop app. Once done, add an authorized redirect URI and download the JSON credentials. Make sure you note client ID and client secret. Next, install the official Google client library for your language and prepare to request scopes such as mail, Google, Com, or Gmail. Send so your token will allow sending messages. You now run the OAuth flow to get an access token and refresh token, store them securely, and use the refresh token to keep long-lived access. Then construct an RFC 2822 formatted message with headers, from, to, subject, and a MIME body. Base 64 URL encode the raw message. Once encoded, build the request to users. Messages. Send with user ID set to me and the raw payload. Make sure your library attaches the authorization, bearer token header, and to catch HTTP 401 and 403 responses. You finish by calling users. Messages. Send and confirming a 200 OK, capturing the returned message ID to track delivery. If you hit rate limits or server errors, implement exponential backoff. If you get 401, refresh the access token, and if that fails, prompt reauth. Make sure the from address is permitted by the authorized account and check your Gmail API quota and consent screen configuration. Troubleshooting tip. If sends fail, check scopes and refresh token validity first. That's the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.